Welcome to another episode of our Know Your Neighborhood series, the very first episode in the year 2025. Who's excited? Well, I am very much excited. Now, due to popular demand, we tried to bring this to you guys before we round up the year 2024. Unfortunately, due to so much work, we couldn't. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to be showing you guys the update that we have on the Lagos-Calabar Highway project. Yay! The most popular project in 2024. And shockingly, it's still the most talked about right now in the entire market. So, you need to sit back and relax and watch this video to the very end. So what I'm going to be giving you guys the update from, the project is going on at the speed of light and they've made so much progress. I am hoping that we will be able to catch up with the level of, I am hoping that we will be able to catch up with the updates that we have for you guys. So what we're going to do is that we're going to start from the point we stopped. What do I mean? The last time we gave you guys an update on this project, we started from the point 0.0, right? Which is from Kuramo Beach area, okay, by Eco Atlantic, and then we gave it to almost at Ikate. So where we stopped the very last time is where we're going to start this video from. So yes, I'll be taking you guys from this point where we stopped the last time to as far as we can get. Now, note that this particular update is just very, this is 2025 actually. So you're seeing live, almost live, of what this particular part of this road construction is looking like. So let's do this. Let's go straight away and see what they have been doing in this part. Now, which part? I mean the slightly after Oniru into Ikate and then to Jakande access. So I'm going to see you at the end of this video. By the way, come, let's go on this trip together and see what exactly is happening with this project. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. So like I explained earlier, that we're starting this video from Ikate Asar. So this is to show you guys what they've done at this point. You see the mapping, the part where they had mapped earlier, see that they've done the concrete work, and then they're still working on it as it is. So I'm just going to be showing you guys as much as I can. I probably won't be able to tell you guys the exact names of these places, but the most important thing is seeing the update and seeing what they have done, like I said earlier. So yeah, this is basically Ikate Asar. Yeah, Ikate Asar, Chisco Ikate Asar, the back of it, and then you see. So like I said, you see that they've done the concrete. They've done concrete on this part, and then of course you have this other part that they are mapping out, and obviously they will soon start the concrete work. So I'm just gonna get to as far as I can get to, and then we call it a day on this. It's really good to see that they are working non-stop in this part all the way to almost Eleko. All right, so yes, you guys can see what's going on live and direct, and this video is done in 2025. This is not in 2024. Okay, so yeah, still going towards this is still Ikate, by the way. Elegushi area. This is Elegushi area. By the way, in front of me, I'm approaching Bloom Haven. Can you guys see? This is Bloom Haven. You guys should just get ready for the update on Bloom Haven, and let's just focus on this road and not on Bloom Haven. When I give you guys an update on Bloom Haven, you'll see it. Anyway, we'll pass Bloom Haven. Bloom Haven is Ikate, so this is still behind Ikate, and this is after Bloom Haven. Like you see what they've done here. They still have done this concrete work to this point, and you guys see, and then they're taking it all the way down. From here now you can drive straight down to, I think you can get to Jakande, but some parts the driving is still a bit restricted. So yes, get ready because we're going to be giving you guys a series updates for the next couple of weeks. We're going to be showing you guys which parts they've gotten to in terms of all the way to almost Eleko. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys, say, this is still going towards Jakande, and yes, going towards Jakande, this part. Sorry guys, you know, this particular part, assessing this part is not so very easy like that, so yeah, we just have to make do with enough footage that we can get for you guys. But you see that they are working on this part. This is the, yes, this part is already Jakande. Yes, I'm already in Jakande as this already. Yep, back of Jakande. Because because of the route I'm taking, I probably might not be able to give you guys the exact location. But this part is, yes, this is Jakande part, and of course you can see that this particular part, they are just doing the sand filling of the place, and then, you know, smoothing it before they do the concrete work as well. So I'm just gonna get as far as I can get, and then we take it this up in series. So like I said, come next week Monday, we'll be from where we stop from this one. We'll try as much as possible to pick it up from there, and then we keep doing it like that till we get to even after Eleko. Because beyond Eleko, Lakapine area, they've done quite a lot of work into Ogun State, but we're going to be giving you guys the live update, current update on this place. So it's going to be a series, so you have to stay tuned and see this as much as we can. I mean, these terrains are not even accessible, but we'll just go out. We're just going to go out out of our way to give you guys. So you see this part now. You guys see we've done the mapping all the way. There's some field all the way, and it keeps going. They've made quite a progress on this particular Lagos-Calabar Highway project. They've made quite a remarkable progress, and they are still progressing. I know some of you will have a lot of questions as to, oh goodness, that's this, that. Don't worry, whatever question you have, let me know, but I would provide the answers that I have, and the ones that don't have the answers, I will not be able to provide. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I will soon be, I think, we're approaching where I'm going to have to stop now, and then we'll pick it up on the second next week. Next week we'll pick it up from where we stop. Hopefully you can access all those places. Thank you so much for doing this with us. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, and share this video. And remember, we're going to be coming back to back. So thank you so much. My name remains Goodness Husband. Remember, we're here to help you achieve your 2025 real estate goal. So I'm gonna be rounding it up here, ladies and gentlemen. This part of, I'm gonna hand you over this part of that. Yes, I'm just gonna tint around a little and say thank you for doing this with me, and I will see you in the next video.